That's me.
Sound so smart, like you graduated college, like you went to Yale, but you probably went to Howard knowing you. Weekend in Miami trying to study by the pool. Couple things do, but you always get it done. Might have been a time where I loved her too, but you take that away and you always been the one. I wonder why the moon looks nice, girl. Maybe it's just right for the night. Used to niggas coming on too strong, girl. They want you in their life as a wife. That's why you wanna have no sex, why you wanna protest, why you wanna fight for your right. Cause you don't love them boys, pussy run they think, fuck that.
Guys, I'm back and giving another video. Today I'm going to be doing a That's So Raven inspired look. I just kind of freestyled with this look and did whatever, you know, but it came out really good. I really like it. I hope you guys like it too. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't checked out my last video, which was an Aaliyah J inspired look, make sure you go check that out. And I'm going to shut up now and we're going to get right into the look. As always, we're starting off by priming our eyes with concealer. So I'm applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze, and then I'm going to set it with my AIRSPUN Translucent Powder. I'm starting off with this orange out of my Take Me to Brazil palette. I started off with orange because the backdrop or the background to the cover was orange. Using my BH12 brush, I'm just going to brush that all over my crease. Now going into my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to tap into Ablaze and I'm going to put that right over that light orange shade from Take Me to Brazil. Going back into my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to tap into that yellow shade and put it right under the orange shades. I tried to kind of recreate the background first. Now using my Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in Deep in this small brush, I'm going to cut my crease, but I'm only starting with a line first because I'm going to apply the hot pink from off the cover. Once I'm done applying the hot pink from my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to cut my crease again, cleaning up the excess pink that fell onto the bottom half. Going back into my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to go into that orange shade and I'm going to put that right in the front of my eye. Going into that yellow shade, I'm going to put it right next to the orange, centering it right in the middle of my cut crease. And lastly, I'm taking the hot pink shade and I'm going to finish it off at the end, making sure that the color fills in any patches that is left. Using my NYX glitter primer, I'm going to apply orange glitter in between the orange and yellow and pink glitter in between the yellow and the pink. Taking this liner brush and ColourPop's Clueless, I'm going to draw a pink line right above my crease. Using my E.L.F liquid liner, I'm going to draw a wing. Taking the same brush I used to cut my crease, I went back into that hot pink shade to clean everything up, and then I went into my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette and I took that gold yellow shade and I highlight my brow bone. The top part of my eyes are done. Tell me in my comments if I slayed or this is trash. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to blend this in with my little disposable sponge. I'm going to add a little bit of Deep from Maybelline Better Skin. Now I'm going to set it with my AIRSPUN Translucent Powder. Baby say it's true. I don't wanna have to wait on you. These are things I gotta say to you. Make me feel irreplaceable, baby, cause I can't. When we fell in love, it was almost instant. You're not boy, you too much. I ain't your man, that's true enough. I feel that boy girl sure enough. I'm trying to make you mine. I'm breaking bread with my comments and stuff. If I pay these hoes, I won't get banged to my buck. Banking on your side, bitch, you'll go bankrupt. I can't be touched. Y'all fuck niggas just can't keep up. I forgot my brush. My brush. I forgot my blush, guys. So. See how blush just brings everything together?